stories and stuff. Basically, I don't know. YouTube doesn't pay. Something else pays me, but we keep quiet. We don't know. So I also have to be a cap tech. Yeah, and the man is at this point. I have found that.
Yeah, the hustle flow deep in my vein, my nigga. You just speaking for fame. While I represent the streets, I'm a speaker for game. Moto hesilu supaka sleg anti game. Pagi le Tony down modi so fame. Pratize dinche dia fella moye mpita puzzle gan netege game.
Yo, what's up, fam? YouTube, this is your boy Omar Slowly. You know what's the vibe, you know what's the level, you know what's the facing, what's the case, baby. Let's get into it. I'm here today in the promenade. I don't know what shop, what they call it, but yeah, we came to bring up the printer and we came to check up for a printer because we're having problems with the printing, and I have to be at Tech for my bank statement and stuff. So yeah, guys, with the Heath, I think it's Heath crop. Yeah, I think it's Heath crop. Even pronouncing it right. So yeah, we're here today, guys. Yeah, you know what's the vibe, baby. Yeah, man. Yo, what's the level, dog? Yeah. Lately, I've been happy. Lately, I've been happy. Like, yo, hi, guys. Since then, I've been happy, dog. I've been happy now. Lately, I've been happy. No problems, no sad stories, not sad stories, just happy stories and stuff. Basically, I don't know. YouTube doesn't pay. Something else pays me, but we keep quiet. We don't know. So I also have to be a cap tech. Yeah, man.
So uthi manager yenzi troubleshooting.
We did lento guy settings lento.
Batsho bathi troubleshoot bemazaxela bayithini.
Siyenzile lonto. Siyenzile even ukazini wami uyenze IT lonto. Siyenzile, it always as if the problem is with the printer. That's why I decided to come because umsebenzi wami umile.
At the moment, the guy, if you're wondering if I'm taking or what, if I'm single or what's going on with my relationship life, the man is single at this point. He's single. I have found the girl before. Like, I think last week he prominent more. I found the girl's number. So yeah. On YouTube video.
Sun is shining today. Don't you know such a new printer?
And there's option. I full enye cause
Iko sena sana.
Guys, I'll catch you with cap tech. Yeah, we're back. Just paid. Just finishing making the payments and stuff. Yeah, now we on our way to the car to go put this.
copy of the motor.
Yeah, we are.
Hands on the
Yeah, and after going to the car, I have to go to the thing there. So, I know TikTok and Instagram are school.
on your phone and bring out your phone. Or say this time. What are we bringing?
I understand.
I have been getting us. What are we customer? Give me now.
Temple, it's closed. It's closed. It's closed. How long? Ano magkabanggaan pero fagis din. Baka mas hindi. Cheso. Ano ba ito lang ang so Yesterday I was with someone's daughter at McD last night. Last night, dog. A night drive was nice drive. A night out at McD. So it was like vibes. It was my first day at night. First night out. Yeah, bro. So like I had to make my relationship content because I don't want to shoot a content to show what I'm with last night, yeah, bro. So that was the vibe yesterday, guys. That was the vibe yesterday. Quite more. There's a dude going on, guys. And I need to go cut my hair. I don't know where, but I have to. We are at that McD down there last night, and for sure y'all were guessing you were trying to find wizard. For sure, I know for sure you, because I posted. It was a McD, but I didn't show, and I posted a hand. So, I didn't see who she, because she was like, is the mom goal against the camera? I was facing the camera. McD down there. You are there. What's going on with life? Lightning, guys. Alright, thanks. And now, since I got money, now you ask me where do I get the money you all been nagging me on my DMs, asking where do I get money. The way I get my money, it's my personal life. It's my personal life.
Normally playing as the more as a go straight. Inspector when you still get the go what? Then I cannot still. But why? Let's go shoot it.
The president. You can't see the president is walking. Within it. Lights is lightning. Lights is lightning. Yeah, 25% on it. It's not going. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I need an iPhone 11 by July. Nick?
You've got to crypto. What do you say?
Huh?
You've got to crypto. What is that thing you
Hey, don't say my personal stuff.
Yeah, but we've got money, bro.
I'm buying an iPhone 11 in July. If not June. Or June. And then it's my birthday.
How much is this?
So I have to it's truly bang.
This is for me, this is for me, this is for me. Similar to for Uratile, man.
For elderly.
Yeah. But not the expensive one.
Price.
Okay. Ungazabuyele kuntwaneni. Uzantombazana. Babe kuthiwa uyakwazi umhlisa umuntu.
Ngibela kodwa ezinye izinto.
Uyadimanga ingxaki.
Price.
Hi, Mama, you'll give me the
because we are there found take it right. Can you be? Jonge nje kabuthi ayizikwenzeka bona nje
Our going to promenade now. Sharp. Did I make a voice note? Oh, I'm recording for you. But at least Talingo has this little manager, bruv. Razik, no. I also want to give myself a boot. But nope. It's sharp. It's not the wild muscle. I'm Crocs now, but I need to check. Let me go check on Crocs. It's kitties. It's not wowing shame. To be honest.
Yeah, there's to know, man. What is it? That's what I said. That is a moist.
Guys, we've been here for long, so I'll catch you in another shop because this shop is not giving. Short. I'm going to be
Xa sihamba kaloku uba indethi yakwethu wena unqali
Fotografia, okay? Actually, don't release the price. Yeah, I can't find the gym. I can't find the gym. I think. How much do they cost, bro? How much do they cost? 3. Wow, Shana. It's 3. It cost 3 each one. Guys, I'll catch you whenever I catch you. Shut up. Yeah, guys. I couldn't finish up the video yesterday cause my phone was dead. After that, when I went to Mr. Price, I was still at Mr. Price when my phone went off, and I was like, damn, bro. And I didn't bring my charger with and my power bank with, so yeah, guys, I had to chop it up. I don't know how many minutes I shot yesterday, but yeah, it is what it is. So guys, I just want to say, please do more, do good on my channel. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Also, a song that dropped, a banger, featuring who? Almighty Slolo. Yeah, guys, you know what's the face, you know what's the case, baby. You know what's the face, you know what's... guys, okay, nah, I'm joking. Guys, sorry guys, I was interrupted. I had to go do something. Yeah, as I was saying, I sang another video featuring me. Please go subscribe on the channel. I sang Pakada. and watch the video. Like, comment, and share. Also, I think Sasha Dominkov, the YouTube guy. I think he also watched the vlog yesterday. I'm not sure because he reacted on my IG story, and he saw the link. I think he clicked the link. So yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. You know what to do. You know what's the level, baby. You know what's the case. Please subscribe, comment, like, share. Yeah, I'm about to bounce now. See you when I vlog. When I vlog again now. After exams. Let's go. Shout out.